What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be reviewing CX Racing Coilovers. Before we get to reviewing the coilovers, I first want to say CX Racing did not pay me or compensate me in any sort of way to say good things about their coilovers or to say bad things about their coilovers. So these right here are the front coilovers. These coilovers have 12K spring rates. As you can see, the 12 on it. They're dirty, but they are 32-way adjustable damping with camber plates, also adjustable. These pins are removable. I don't like to remove them because they got a little rubber seal at the bottom that makes it a pain in the ass to get in and out. For street use, I typically run about 10. The damping at 10, because these are pretty much track coilovers. I have 12K spring rates in the front and 10K spring rates in the back. The reason I went with those spring rates is because I plan on making this car into a strictly track car, no street driven at all. That's why I went with such hefty spring rates. So CX Racing Coilovers, do I like them, love them, or hate them? I've got to say, I will give another review down the line after I track these coilovers, after I fully break in the coilovers. I don't know how long coilovers take to break in, but I've been driving on them for about 300 miles or so. But so far, I love them. They're not fun to drive on the street because how stiff the spring rates are, but with that adjustable damping, it really helps. I would not, if you plan on getting a pair of coilovers for street use, I do not recommend getting 10K, 12K coilovers. Probably get something around 8K, 6K, or somewhere in that ballpark. But this car is going to be made into a straight track car, so that's why I went with such a high spring rate. Coilovers also came with these wrenches to adjust. You adjust those wrenches with the locking rings. I'm pretty sure most coilovers come with them, but these coilovers were super easy to install. They're very well built, they feel very sturdy, very durable. I love the design of them. Super simple, super clean, and they feel great. So are these coilovers worth the money? I think so. I think so, not only because I've driven on them and I like the way they feel, but I've driven on cars with so many different top-line coilovers. I've driven cars with BC Racing coilovers. I've driven cars with Megan Racing coilovers, Fortunato coilovers. So I have an idea of what they feel like. Now, if you are a first-time buyer on coilovers, you might buy a pair of coilovers and say they're the best coilovers ever, but you've never driven another car with coilovers on. I've driven multiple different cars, and I can honestly say that these coilovers do not feel much different from top-line brands. I can see 5-10 years from now, these coilovers are going to be all over the market, carried by so many different stores, so many different companies, just because they are well built, they're durable, and they give you what you need for a reasonable price. I love these coilovers, and if this video was helpful to you in any sort of way, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. And if you guys like these type of videos, if you guys like me doing review videos over the vlog style videos, let me know in the comments section so I could do more of them. As always, thank you all for watching. Hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.